So I think what I like most about this is that it's not just a really easy course. You're going to be challenged, but that challenging is going to help you grow, and it is fun if you like problem solving. If you don't like problem solving, then you probably shouldn't be in school.
With the size of classes, I feel like it's easier to talk to my instructors, and like when I first went to App State, it was this this big hall with maybe 100 students, and I was just kind of like a wallflower in the back kind of thing. But I've been able to communicate with my instructors, and they've all been very helpful when I've had questions, even the ones that I feel are well, stupid, for lack of a better word, but those are important questions too, I feel like.
Probably the difference between our degree and a Bachelor's of Science degree that you'd get from App State or any other university, this one is probably more a hands-on degree. A college, four-year college, even though some of them will have hands-on programs, but for the most part, they're trying to get you to think theory and problem solving at a higher level, where we do some of that, but then it's like, okay, now I need you to actually do it. So that's kind of probably the biggest difference between the two.
CCC&TI provides us a mechanism where we can do one of two things. We can get new employees that have very specific experience that we're looking for, IT, electrical, PLC. The college has all of those kinds of courses available. And then we also use CCC&TI to do continuing ed. As you know, IT is not a static field. It's very dynamic, so we look to CCC&TI to provide us those educational resources to keep our team members fresh and up to date on the technologies and things that are coming down the field. If we have an employee that needs some refreshing or needs some additional skills, then we look to CCC&TI to help us with that.
My Java class is my favorite because I'm coding. I get to create different things in my own way and learn how to do it.
In programming, in the degrees we got out now, we basically try to teach them a couple of different languages. We teach them C++ and we teach them Java. Both are used in either web-based development or in a lot of technical programs. C++ is used. So those are the two languages that we strive with. We're getting close to starting a Python program, which opens itself up to a whole lot more job opportunities. I mean, Python's like one of the top, well, what I see a report yesterday that it's like the top 2 in skills that employers are looking for. So they'll be able to get that skill along with C++ and Java.
Basically, someone that can work independently, that doesn't need a lot of supervision. I like bringing people out of college because they don't have any bad habits yet. So you bring them on, they've got the technical knowledge, and then you bring them on to learn how we do it here. So I like a fresh person out of college.
When we start offering the full-fledged Python classes, we'll probably try to move the students towards that certification, knowing that this program wants to give you a lot of hands-on skills, and sometimes that certification adds a lot of leverage to a 2-year degree plus certification. At least tells an employer that, okay, you've got an education, you're willing to learn, and you know something in depth, which certification proves.